as there has been a massive rise in the popularity and adoption of the carnivore diet. In the past few years, thousands of carnivore followers have reported some immense health benefits. Now, these benefits may seem too good to be true or simply hard to digest by typical medical mindsets. But these people have witnessed exceptional benefits for real, which have changed the entire course of their problematic lives, from reversing diabetes and significantly improving heart health to curing chronic inflammation, ailments, and enhancing bone density and muscle strength. The carnivore diet is proving to be a real game changer day in and day out. We hear stories of people who have freed themselves from these critical health issues simply by following this low-carb meat diet, let alone the rapid weight loss benefits it provides. The point here to understand for all of us is that what it really makes the carnivore diet so effective in mitigating all these chronic health issues are often considered almost untreatable, like no other known diet plan has ever done well. This is exactly what you are going to know by the end of this super informative video, as we have figured out for you the main thing that puts the carnivore diet way ahead of all other eating methods and treatments. Ironically, most of the medical community considers it a health hazard. But the fact is, it is actually the red meat consumption on the carnivore diet, fatty beef in particular, which creates all this unexpected healing magic. So in the next few minutes, we're going to discuss the top 5 health benefits of eating beef on the carnivore diet, most of which are totally unexpected and unbelievable for the entire medical community. And the rest assured, we promise to present all this information in a detailed and scientific manner with all proper reasoning. Stay with us. Meanwhile, do press the subscribe button and become a proud member of the exclusive Shape Squad community, helping us spread the healing message to everyone suffering out there. Let's start out to build muscle with something critical for our middle-aged fellows: the muscle health. Well, not many people know, but beef is a powerhouse of protein, a critical nutrient for muscle growth, repair and maintenance in Dr. Tony Hampton's words. Imagine your muscles as a house of the bricks that build this house are the proteins, and beef provides these bricks in abundance. Protein serves as the building block of muscles, making them stronger and more resilient in the day-to-day life. Every time you engage in some kind of physical activity, be it lifting weights at the gym or simply walking to the store, your muscles undergo wear and tear, and protein steps in to repair these microscopic damages, ensuring your muscles stay in peak condition. Moreover, as we age, muscle loss naturally occurs, a condition known as sarcopenia. Consuming adequate protein helps to combat this decline, preserving muscle mass and strength, evident with so many personal experiences shared by our Shape Squad community members. This is particularly crucial for maintaining mobility and independence in later life. Now let's step into the science behind these claims. Numerous studies have shown the positive impact of protein on our muscle health. For instance, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that protein supplementation substantially enhanced muscle size and strength in individuals engaged in resistance exercise training. So where does beef come into this picture? Well, beef is not just any source of protein. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own. These amino acids are crucial for our muscle synthesis and repair. Furthermore, beef's protein is highly bioavailable. This means your body can easily digest and absorb it, utilizing it efficiently for muscle maintenance. Just a 3-0 serving of beef can provide about half of your daily recommended protein intake. So next time you're planning your meals, remember, this beef is not just a tasty addition to your plate. It's a protein-packed powerhouse that supports your muscles, helping you maintain strength and vitality. What has been your experience with carnivore diet so far? Do tell in the comments. And by the way, we are just getting started. There are some insane health benefits that are coming up till the very end, moving ahead role of vital nutrients. Another health benefit of beef lies in its highly rich nutrient profile, which is packed to the fullest with vital essentials that our body needs to function optimally. Let's check out some of these nutrients and their incredible roles in our health. First off, we have vitamin B12. This nutrient is critical for brain function and blood formation. Our brains are the command centers of our bodies, and vitamin B12 helps keep this center running smoothly. Recent research confirms that a deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to serious neurological issues, making its consumption crucial. Next up, we have zinc. This mighty mineral boosts our immunity and aids in wound healing. A study published in the Advances in Nutrition. The journal highlights the role of zinc immune function, stating that it is essential for the development and the function of neutrophils, natural killer cells, and TNB lymphocytes, our body's frontline defenders. The third nutrient we have selenium. Selenium is important for the thyroid and immune system health. According to a study by the National Institutes of Health, selenium plays a crucial role in the health of our immune system. This nutrient helps lower oxidative stress in our bodies, which reduces inflammation and enhances immunity. Last but certainly not least, we have phosphorus, essential for teeth and bone. Health phosphorus makes up about 1% of a person's total body weight. It is the second most plentiful mineral in the body, and it's crucial to our health. The Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism reports that phosphorus is necessary for the growth, maintenance, and repair of all tissues and cells. And in simple words, beef is a nutritional powerhouse, offers a range of nutrients that are vital for our health. It's not just about the protein, it's about the vitamin B12, zinc, selenium, and the phosphorus. To these nutrients packed in beef highly contribute to our overall health and wellness. Health improved heart, health benefit number 3. Beef, particularly grass-fed beef, can contribute to a vastly improved heart health. Now the burning question that everyone seems to ask, how can a meat product be so heart healthy? Well, as we discussed in our previous video, it's all about the type of fats present in grass-fed beef. Yes, we're talking about omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. These two types of fats are known for their heart-healthy properties. But something that comes here to our mind is, aren't omega-3 typically found in fish? That's true. However, grass-fed beef also contains a good amount of these beneficial fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce inflammation in the body, is a key factor contributing to heart disease, but the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3s can also improve your blood lipid profiles, which is essentially a fancy way of saying they can help lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol. Now let's talk about CLA. Research has shown that this fat can also contribute to a healthier heart. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that women with higher CLA levels in their diet had a lower risk of heart disease. By the way, what is your preferred beef recipe? Do share in the comments. One crucial thing to remember here is not all beef is created equal. Grass-fed beef tends to have higher levels of omega-3s and CLA compared to grain-fed variants. So if improved cardiovascular health is your goal, opt for grass-fed beef whenever possible. And try to avoid the processed forms of beef as much as possible, as they are filled with harmful chemical-based preservatives, which do not yield these mentioned results and benefits. Moving on. Beef is not just good improved brain function for your body, it's good for your brain too. Let us tell you how well. It's because beef is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, iron, and zinc, all of which are linked to highly improved mental health, cognitive function, and mood regulation. Let's break that down. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that your body can't produce on their own. They're vital for brain health, playing a crucial role in memory performance and behavioral function. In fact, research has shown that individuals with a deficiency in omega-3 may experience mood swings and depression. Now let's talk about iron. It's a key player in maintaining our cognitive abilities. Iron helps to deliver oxygen to our brain and is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters. The chemicals that transmit signals in our brain. Studies suggest that iron deficiency can lead to cognitive impairments and attention deficits. And then there's zinc. This mighty mineral is involved in numerous aspects of cellular metabolism. It's needed for the activity of over 300 enzymes that aid in the digestion of nerve function and metabolism. More importantly, zinc plays a crucial role in the structure and function of the brain, supporting learning and memory. Recent research has drawn a connection between zinc deficiency and neuropsychiatric disorders, including depression and Alzheimer's disease. Consuming beef, which is a rich source of zinc, that can help prevent these deficiencies and support optimal brain function. So you see, the nutrients found in beef are not just beneficial for our physical health. They're essential for our mental health too. They help to keep our mind sharp, our mood stable, and our cognitive functions running smoothly. A lot of our viewers have told in the comments in our earlier videos that they have experienced vast improvements in their mental health after consuming beef while on the carnivore diet. Have you felt any similar? Do share your experience. And lastly, a better insulin sensitivity. A diet rich in beef's proteins and fats strongly helps improve insulin sensitivity, is a pivotal factor in managing blood sugar levels. Insulin sensitivity refers to how responsive your body is to the insulin it produces. When your body is more sensitive to insulin, it uses less to lower your blood sugar levels. This is crucial in preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. Recent research studies have shown that a high-protein diet such as the carnivore diet can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. Proteins found in beef like leucine and isoleucine have been found to stimulate insulin secretion, helping your body to manage blood sugar more efficiently. Additionally, the fats in beef is primarily monounsaturated and saturated fats, which have been shown to have a neutral or beneficial effect on insulin sensitivity. In essence, incorporating beef into your diet could be a proactive step towards managing your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. And this makes beef as a valuable dietary inclusion for those concerned about their blood sugar 30-day results levels. So friends, here we are. It is pretty clear that beef has plenty to offer us in terms of health and wellness, from enhancing muscle maintenance to providing a wealth of vital nutrients such as vitamin B12, zinc, selenium, and phosphorus. We've also seen how beef can improve cardiovascular health thanks to the omega-3 fatty acids and CLA found in grass-fed beef, not to mention the impact on brain function with omega-3 fatty acids, iron, and zinc, all contributing to mental health, cognitive function, and mood regulation. And let's not forget the benefit of better insulin sensitivity, which can help lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Regarding the research studies we mentioned, we would share their links in the description or the pinned comments. Take excellent care of yourself and your loved ones. Your experiences and insights are valuable, and your comments could potentially help others. Subscribe to Shape Squad for more such informative and helpful videos. Don't forget to like and share this video. Until next time, stay healthy.